One of my subscribers had talked about how can we amend our soil, how can we improve the soil fertility. So one of the first things that we are going to be amending the soil with is coffee grounds. This is going to be providing enough nutrients to the soil. The worms love coffee, by the way. The second thing that we plan to use here is diatomaceous earth, but I do know that a lot of bugs like pill bugs may or may not even like this, and these are actually minerals that we're going to be adding into the soil. Lastly, the last item that I'll be adding is gypsum. Believe it or not, this bag was actually relatively inexpensive, and this is going to be a great way for you to help your soil if you live in an area where you have clay. We said coffee grounds. Honestly, just sprinkle them around anywhere. You can actually dig them into the ground if you need to. Otherwise, my goal is just to sprinkle it around, and over time, it's going to actually break down. Now the gypsum, same concept. Hopefully I don't get my camera up first and dirty, but we're just going to sprinkle this everywhere. Now, finally, we're going to add a little bit of diatomaceous earth. Now, normally, it comes with a pump, so you can actually do this if you have plants that you're trying to protect. Right now, I'm just going to hand sprinkle just a little bit in here. And that's it. I think we are done. If you'd like, you can amend the soil with your hands. I'm actually planning to directly transplant some new items in here, and I might add some wood chips when I'm done. If you guys remember my soil blocks from one of my videos somewhere up there, we actually started these from seeds. Now, this is incredible because it's pretty clear. This is the cheapest way to get started on growing your own food at home. And if you found it helpful, use one of these baking trays because it holds water and it makes it easy to transport. We're gonna amend the soil again. So just go ahead and pop it in here, and that's about it. I'm excited to be making this video for you guys because this is why I started this channel. I wanna help you guys have a better green thumb, and I don't know, let me know what you think. One week later, I went back to my community garden only to realize that something is eating my plants. Till next time on Dragon Ball Z. Just kidding, Gardening with Dave. See you later. Bye everyone.